So let us say you have multiple applications running on a desktop and you want to minimize them all in just a second, then going through them as one by one. So let me open all these applications so that I can show you what I'm talking about. So instead of doing that, is you can hold down the Windows key plus M so that we can minimize all of the applications that have been opened. To undo what you did, you just need to hold down the Windows key, then Shift, then M, so that everything will be back to its normal. So is opening your application in a taskbar using the mouse really hard for you? So by holding down the Windows key and choosing between 1 to 9 numbers, we'll open a selected program in a taskbar. Now I'm holding the Windows key plus 2 to open my file explorer, and now I'm holding my Windows key, then 3, then 4 to open all these applications. So you open the system properties, like going to start icon, then search for control panel, click enter, then going to system and security, then system, and that takes a lot of time to accomplish. So the best way is to hold down the Windows key, then hit pause break in the keyboard. So that's the easy way on going to the system properties. So you can go to start icon, then type run to open this run application so that you can use it to open other applications such as CMD or File Explorer. The best way on opening this is you can hold down the Windows key, then hit R, then you will be able to use it to open CMD and other applications that you want to use in that situation. So you want to switch the application while busy, but using the mouse that really slows you down and can't finish your work in time because of going down to the taskbar and changing the application that you currently use, then going back to the taskbar again. So the best way is you can hold down your Windows key and press tab in order to see the application in your desktop. And the other way is you can hold down the Alt key, then hit tab. In that way you can switch around the applications that are open in your desktop.